Good afternoon, friends. Today's Monday, and I hope that your day's going well so far. It's pretty rainy outside. I had to go out to the store today, and it was so rainy. My shoes got so wet. All the water came in and got my shoes and socks all wet. So that didn't feel too good. And I wonder if maybe that happened to you too, if you had to go somewhere today. Well, now I'm inside and it's nice and cozy in our classroom. And I thought I would start out by saying hello to my friends. So we'll go ahead and sing our hello song. And you can sing along with me, okay? Hello, friends. How are you? I'm very happy to see you. Greet your neighbor. Boogie on down, give a jump and turn around. Okay, I did my spin in my chair. That's a lot of fun. All right, well, I thought we would start out today talking about our letter of the week. If you picked up your packet today, you will find out what our new letter is, and I'm going to show you, but first, I want to talk about the other letters that we've been studying and learning about. Who knows what the first letter of the alphabet is? It's A. Can you sing with me? A is for apple. Apple. The A says ah. So whenever you see the A, you know it has, well, actually, you know, the A is a little bit different because it has two different sounds. Either it says ah, or it says its own name, which is A. So it's kind of special. It has two different sounds. Let's see what comes after A. A, B. B is for ball. Ball. The B says B. C is for carrot. Carrot. The letter C says K. D is for donut. Donut. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. The letter F says F. And last week our letter was G. G is for grapes. Grapes. And what do you think our new letter is? After G comes H. The letter H. And H has two lines down, one line across. For our capital H, our uppercase H, that's what it looks like. And this is lowercase h. H is for house. House. All right, so you're going to be learning about the letter H this week. You're going to practice making it. You're going to be drawing your H on one of your papers that I sent home for you, so you can practice getting really good at the H. And the nice thing about H is it's just nice straight lines. It's pretty easy. It's one of the easier letters to write. Okay, so I just happen to have one more thing that starts with an H that I thought I would share with you. Do you want to see what it is? I'll show you. It's some hot chocolate. H is for hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. Because it's such a rainy and wet day out, it's a really great day for some hot chocolate. It's cozy and warm, and maybe you can have some hot chocolate at your house today. It's really good. Okay, so I think the next thing we're going to do is I am going to read you a story that is, I think, a really fun one, and I think you might remember about the little blue truck because we have read stories about him before. Okay, here is the little blue truck. And do you remember we have a story about the little blue truck and springtime? Well, this is a different story about our truck, and it says, "Good night, little blue truck." Do you see the stars are out? And it's nighttime? And let's find out who the author is of our book. Do you remember what the author is? It's the person who wrote the book. They wrote the words in the book. It says Adam Schertle. Adam Schertle is the author. He wrote the book. And Jill McElmurray is the person who made the pictures. And I think this book has some really wonderful pictures. I really like them. And I'm going to put my glasses on so I can see a little bit better. Okay, so let's read and find out what happened in this story. Bumpity bump, down the road came little blue truck with good friend Toad. Do you see his friend Toad? He's driving. Is he driving the truck? Oh my goodness, did you know that toads could drive trucks? Not really though, can they? Thunder crashing, lightning flashing. Two good friends were homeward dashing. Look, do you see the rain? See all that rain? It looks like in this story they're having a really rainy day too. And they're trying to get home before they get too much wetter. Such a wet and stormy night. Their warm garage was a welcome sight. In they went and shut the door, but it wasn't very long before... "Meh," said the goat. "Please, Little Blue, can I come in here with Toad and you?" "Cluck," said the hen. "It's wet outside. I need a nice, safe place to hide." They didn't want to be out in the rain, did they? "Honk," said the goose. "Don't care for lightning. Stormy nights are a little bit frightening." "Moo," said the cow. "Can I come in too? I feel safer here with you." "Quack," said the duck. "There's quite a crowd. Can I squeeze in? Are ducks allowed?" "Wink," said the pig. "Is there room for me? I'm cold and wet as can be." "Beep, beep, beep," said Little Blue. "There's room for you and you and you. Everybody gather round. Thunder's such a grumbly sound." Have you ever heard the thunder come rumbling in the sky, and then the big bolts of lightning? You see the light flashing in the sky? It can be a little bit scary because it's pretty loud, isn't it? Clouds bump and tumble in the sky, but here inside we're warm and dry. And all the thirsty plants below will get a drink to help them grow. Close to Blue, over and under, they listen to the rain and thunder. And they feel safe inside the garage with the little blue truck. Duck said as loud as he could quack it, "Thunder's just a noisy racket." "Boom," said the goat. "It isn't scary. I was not afraid, not very." "Just a noise," said Pig. "No wonder. I'm not scared of a little thunder." After a while the clouds blew on, the night was still, and the storm was gone. Goat said, "We feel better, Blue. It's easy to be brave with you." Pig said, "I feel sleepy now. Let's all head for home," said the cow. "Beep," said Blue, "just hop inside. All aboard for the bedtime ride." The rain had stopped, and way up high, the moon was a smile in a starry sky. Does it kind of look like a smile? Good night, Pig. Here's your pen. Good night, Duck. Good night, Hen. He took them all home to their houses to go back to sleep. Good night, Goat. You're home now. Good night, Goose. Good night, Cow. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you ever heard. Blue and Toad drove home together, two good friends in any weather. Toad lay down on his own small bed. "Croak, good night, little Blue," he said. Blue gave one small sleepy beep. Then little Blue Truck fell fast asleep. And that's the end of the story. I like that story. Blue was a good friend, wasn't he? He took care of all of his friends who came and needed a place to stay. He's a really great example to think about. That's a great way to be a good friend to people. If they need help, to help them out, to care about them. And so we'll have to remember that. If someone needs some help, that we can be a good helper, and that's being a good friend and a good person. All right, why don't we stand up and do a little bit of Simon Says, and then we're going to do our calendar, all right? All right, let's try some Simon Says. Now here's the rule. Only do it if Simon says, okay? Simon says, touch your head. Everyone should have done it because Simon said. Simon says, put your hands on your waist. Touch your toes. Should we have done that? Nope. Simon didn't say it. Okay, did I trick anybody? Simon says, turn around 2 times. Can you do it 2 times? 1, 2. I'm getting dizzy. Are you? Touch your nose. Should we do it? Did Simon say? No. We shouldn't touch our nose, should we? Touch your ears. Did Simon say? Nope. Don't touch your ears. Simon said, clap your hands 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Simon said, touch your knees. Simon says, smile. Okay, how did you do? I hope everyone remembered, only do it if Simon says. That's following directions, isn't it? All right, let's do our calendar next. All right, let's take a peek over here. I think someone probably remembers what the name of our month is. We've been talking about it for a little while. We're a little bit more than halfway through November. N, that's the letter N. N is for November. November. The N says n. So this is our month, November. And this month we have leaves on our calendar because the leaves are all falling down, aren't they? Go look at a tree outside, you'll see most of the trees have lost a lot of their leaves. Some of them have lost all their leaves. All right, let's find out how many days in November. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. What do you think it's going to be? Do you think it's going to be a red leaf or an orange leaf? Let's look at our pattern. It goes red leaf, orange leaf, orange leaf. 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 What comes next? I hope you said red leaf. Red leaf comes next at 16. After 15 comes 16. All right, so today is November 16th. November 16th is the date today. Okay. Let's just review the days of the week. Let's see if you remember the days of the week song. Okay? Here we go. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 And today was Monday. M is for Monday. Monday. That's Monday. Okay. Nice job on that. All right, so we are going to get ready to say goodbye, and we're going to sing our goodbye song. And since we only have me here today, I'll just have to say goodbye to myself. All right, I hope you have a good rest of the day today. Tomorrow is Tuesday, and it's Zoom class. I hope to see you tomorrow for Zoom class. All right, this week, remember, we're learning about bread and how to make it and what we need to use to make bread and what kinds of bread there are and lots of other things too. All right. Goodbye, Teacher Sue. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, everybody. We're glad you came to school. All right. Have a good rest of the day. I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.